Hey everyone, it's Mar Rising from Timeless Dollar. Hey, it's Monday, April 15th. You did do your taxes, right? If not, send in an extension request so we'll get that out of the way. Today is Monday morning, and typically when the market is, the news is good on a Monday morning, we can expect a good bump at the open. But today, it looks like the news is sort of flat, or at least not terrific. But I'm seeing something here that I want to call your attention. You see this candle? This is a Friday candle on the S&P, and this looks like a setup for an evening star. If the market open, okay, here's the market opening right now. It's opening about flat. I'm going to switch to a 15-minute candle, and here we are, April 15th, opening slightly open, but I just don't see the exuberance that would propel the market higher. Here we have the top on Friday, and I think that this is going to serve as a resistance point. Let's see if I'm right on this. Let's switch to a 3-minute candle here. Market started out at 2908, went up to 2909. Now it's pulling back a little bit. And let's just keep our powder dry and see what's happening. Yeah, it looks like it's pulling back. The stochastics are at a high, at least on 3-minute candle. Pop back up. I'm not convinced it's going to push higher at these levels. So let's just hold on. Yeah, you see what happened there? This looks like a shooting star, doesn't it, guys? I'm going to hop in for a sell. I just think that it's going to sell off over here, and let's see what happens. Let's see if in fact it does. You have your coffee, right? I don't know about you. I like Dunkin' Donuts. The market's been at a pretty frothy level for this past few weeks, and people are starting to talk about a top or market top, and just the talk gets traders a little bit apprehensive of whether the market can go higher. I'm going to put this on pause for a minute because we don't really have to see what's going on. This is going to take a little bit of time to play out. I'm not so convinced that the market has much room to the upside here. And the news of the day, the banking stocks news came in, well, depending on how they sliced the news, I think they fudged it a little bit, but the news wasn't terrific. At any rate, I'm going to put this on pause. Market's starting to move in a consistent downward direction, and I would call this momentum. For you guys who have taken my trading course, I'd call this a momentum move, and I think that if we're looking at a gap play here where it would close the gap Monday morning and take off from there, I don't think that's going to happen. I'm going to see how this plays out. I feel more confident on the negative side, and I'm going to stay in this trade and see what shakes out here. If you've taken my course, you recognize this shooting star candle in conjunction strengthened by the stochastics in an overbought area. Would be a good time to jump on if you're a little hesitant. The market has retreated down a bit now, but I think it's got a ways to go from here. So depending upon what you would like to do, and I would tell you that this candle reinforced by the stochastics is a pretty high probability trade. So I'm just going to sit and watch this. I didn't set a stop when I opened the trade. I'm using a mental stop right now, and I'm comfortable with that. I don't leave my computer screen. I can close this off in a moment if I'm not comfortable. Right now, I'm sitting on a little bit of a profit, but I'm looking for this move to continue to the negative side, and I'm just going to stay here for a bit. Again, looking at this 15-minute candle, those of you who have taken the course, you recognize this as a bearish engulfing pattern that's developed here. Now, at some point, the bears have predominated this morning at the open, but at some point the bulls will jump in, and those who are real gamblers and who are looking to catch a falling knife could jump in here and cause the price to retrace a bit. But I don't think they're going to have the strength to really overcome this Monday morning blues, let's call it. So if you jumped on this trend and you're up a few points, good for you. I'm going to close off this run with a little less than a 12-point profit. 12 points, 50 points on the Dow, on the S&P, so on the mini in the E-mini, and that would be a $600 gain for 15 minutes of work. But I'm out and I'm happy, so I'm going to say I'm going to sign off for the morning and put this video to bed. This is Marv Eisen, Timeless Dollar. If you're looking to make a few extra dollars to supplement your income, or you've lost your job and you're looking to make money in some other way, or you've tried to start a business and it hasn't quite worked out, or you put off by all the startup costs a new business would entail, try my course, E-mini S&P Trading, because it's something that is teachable, it can be learned, and you can do it, and you can, and when you learn this and you get the feel of the market and you learn to look to know what to look for and to gauge your trades, you can make a nice bit of income for the rest of your life. Marv Eisen, Timeless Dollar, April 15th. Make sure your taxes are in, guys. Have a great day.